As Colony has grown, so has our team of professionals, from 12 employees in 1988 to over 1,000 today.
I've been here 21 years and I plan on being here till I retire. It's a great atmosphere, the people are great, I couldn't ask for anything more.
At Colony, customer service is our most important job, provided by every person in every department. This philosophy is practiced at every level of our company.
So one of the things that makes Colony such a great company is the way we respond to our customers, our sense of urgency and our attention to detail. And that's a culture that we've tried to develop since day one. Everyone at Colony plays a role, a very important role in customer service.
I can tell you from my own experience that there's a lot of potential for growth. I was always encouraged to take on the next level of responsibility. Openings were there, and I was able to take them on and complete them and continue to move throughout the company.
Being with Colony in the management training program provides a lot of great opportunities for employees. We have a lot of good staff here that support you, but there's a lot of room to grow in this company. We're continuing to get bigger, and we're looking for people who will help us get there.
Competitive wages, excellent benefits, and opportunities for growth. For more information on joining the Colony Hardware team, visit our careers link at colonyhardware.com.